when I did the whole walkthrough kind of explaining what we're doing with the house. So I wanted to jump on real quick and just kind of let you guys know this will be an empty house tour showing you all the places in the new house and also like giving you a rundown of all the work that's going to be happening. We are finally here. All the major work actually starts today, maybe tomorrow. Kind of depends. We're just trying to get things figured out, but we're here and I'm excited to share with you guys the new house and all the plans we have and everything. It's gonna be a lot of work, but we know this house is going to be phenomenal when we're done with it. So let's get into it. So to talk just a little bit about the front of the house first, as you can see, it's all brick exterior and whatnot. So our plan is to paint all the brick white, and then we want to pull these shutters down and put in wood shutters to give it more of like a coastal cottagey feel. And then along with this pillar, we want to encase this in wood to have more of just a natural look. Windows eventually will have to be replaced. They're old, they're original. Say hi to our neighbor. Oh, hi, lizard. So across the street, all of these people that live right here live right on the intercoastal. So our neighbors are millionaires. All of these houses, which a lot of them you can't see from the trees and stuff, but they are all right on the intercoastal. Freya, you want to say hi? Hi. So we're going to build out the garden beds. We actually will probably turn this entire area into a garden bed right here. And then we'll build out a garden bed in front of here and going around. There is some nice garden stuff already, so this will stay. The palm tree will obviously stay. And yeah, just give the house some definition in the front and then make all of this pop. And I really think with the white exterior with the natural wood tones will make all of this really pop. This tree will probably leave the same other than maybe just defining around the base of it. But I fell in love with this tree when we saw this house. A beautiful old southern tree, well established. It's beautiful. Freya, are we home? Yeah.
Okay, Cambriea, you ready to see your new house?
Let's go in.
Florida. I can't wait to see what you do to it. I'll follow you in.
This is when you walk inside the house. So let me do a wider angle. So when you walk in, first thing you see is this wall right here. This whole thing is going. It has a closet in it, but otherwise it's purely non-structural anything. So this whole thing will be coming out. Over here to the right, you have the sunken family room. So obviously these metal bars will be coming out, and then we will be pulling up the carpet and laying cement to level the floors. Pulling up the carpet will be very easy considering it's not really laid. So, but it's got cement under it, so laying cement on it will make it really easy. But like I said, we'll take this wall out. This wall right here, we're going to cut back halfway. That way it gets a little more sightline into the kitchen. So this whole floor then will be pretty much completely open concept. So I mentioned taking out this wall right here. However, on this wall, Bobby and I will be building a fireplace It is just going to be electric because getting in gas or anything like that is just not going to be easy. But we will be building a fireplace right here. I missed my fireplace from my first house, so I told Bobby that was really something I wanted in a new house. So fireplace in the middle, built-ins on both ends, which is why we're not taking this all the way out, and floating shelves above the built-ins. That way we have plenty of storage for the kids' stuff, anything like that. So this wall is going to get completely transformed. As you walk through this tiny little hall area, to the left we have the bedrooms, and well, 2 of the bedrooms and 1 of the bathrooms. This is the dining room and kitchen. Dining room we're not doing a ton with, but we will go over that first. So in the dining room, we're going to do some built-ins here. We're gonna do built-ins this side, built-in on that side, with lowers and a counter over here. And then all the floors are being replaced as well. We have a beautiful sunroom. This slider eventually will have to be replaced. And then you can see from here the pool area, and that slider will have to be replaced eventually also. All right, now into the kitchen. So originally we thought we could work with the floor plan in the kitchen. However, the more we look at the appliances and the cabinetry and everything, Bobby and I have both decided it's going to be better to start from scratch. As I'm sure you guys can tell on video and in photos, this all looks pretty good. But once we actually got here and took a closer look, you're going to notice just little things that have these cabinets and stuff not in real good shape. So kitchen, pretty much gutted. This little, I don't even want to call it a pantry, is coming out because the shelf in it is literally the size, smaller than my hand. So we're not gonna be able to store anything there anyway. That is coming out. Crazy thing about when this kitchen was done last time is this window was a full window. So when we do it, it'll become a full window again, possibly even a larger window, and we're gonna have the counters go out into the sunroom. That way, if the kids are swimming and I have to make them lunch, they can come sit in the sunroom without dragging their wet butts inside, and I can give them food right through the window. So this is going to be completely redone. Oh, and all these bulkheads will be coming out as well. All right, now back to that. We've got the front door on the left side, linen closet, bathroom, bedroom, bedroom. This first bedroom will be Freya's bedroom. It's similar in size to what she has now, maybe slightly smaller, but similar. Decent closet space. These go all the way through, so she'll have really good closet space. Not that a baby needs great closet space. Also, all of these walls, I'm trying to get a good photo of the texture. All of these walls will be knocked down, not completely, but they're very bumpy now, and Bobby and I want to smooth them out. Kids' bathroom, nothing too crazy. The counters are actually decent. We'll end up replacing this. I'm hoping to take that out as well. These cabinets, I have such a fun idea, a DIY project on them. I can't wait. The floors are decent. Actually, the floors in all the bedrooms we'll be keeping. And in this bathroom, this bathtub has actually been recently redone. So this is going to stay the same. It's great for a kid's bathroom. Might just have to do some touching up on some work that's not the best. It doesn't look like they really did a great job caulking at the top. I'll obviously double check the caulking down here. But This is a bathroom that I'm confident I can do myself. Toilet's fine. It's actually brand new. These will be coming out or at least painted. But this bathroom is going to be pretty minor. All right, and then this is going to be the boys' room. This is the biggest of the kids' rooms, which is why the boys are going to get it. The boys still want to share a room, so once again, nice big closet. We're kind of thinking about doing a bunk bed again, but we're going to listen to the boys. We might do a twin over full, but their room is going to be priority one in this house, because I want them to be able to move in, be comfortable immediately. Also, all baseboards will be being replaced. There's about 5 different types of baseboards in this house, and they are really, really rough. This is kind of a better shot of the wall, so you can see how textured they are. So that needs to be done. But otherwise, bedrooms aren't crazy. They're basic stuff. All right, so back into the dining room, the kitchen. Down this hallway is where we have the other 2 bedrooms, so the master and what's going to end up being the nursery. No, I am not pregnant yet, but yes, I do want to have another baby, so I said nursery. So this will be the nursery. It's the smallest of the bedrooms. Itty bitty closet, which we will they built this in. This was probably an office before, and they just built this closet to make it a 4-bedroom, which is fine. So this vent, we're gonna have to move, and then we wanna actually have a real closet. This may end up turning back into an office, but we know for now, we are going to have this as the nursery. And once again, floors in the bedrooms are nice and they will be staying. This closet on the left, we're going to be taking out as well. This is pretty much like the same in the kitchen. There's no storage, so this is just making the house feel small. So this will be coming out. Over here, we have the laundry room, which is actually decent. It's not amazing, but it's a good size. I love that I'm gonna have, this sounds silly, but having a slop sink, I am so excited about. So we'll jazz this up, probably add some cabinetry. We obviously need washer and dryer. And then we got the door to the garage. Nothing too fancy. However, if your husbands are watching this, they may like it. Bobby is excited about this garage. It's extra wide, so you got work area. And this will allow us to store all of our holiday decor. So it's got a good space and another door leading to the backyard. This needs a lot of work. It needs paint. It needs the floors done. So this is going to be another project, but don't get me wrong, these projects will happen. It just may happen over time because it's a lot. It's going to be a lot of work, but it's going to be beautiful. All right, so now we're heading out of the laundry room, and this is the master bedroom. This is where the biggest stuff is happening. Floors are staying. This door, we're gonna change to a glass door. Eventually, I might want to make it a slider because out this door is the pool area. So that may end up changing, but we at least want it to be a glass door so that we have the natural light. In here, actually, let's see if I can turn on some more light for you guys so we can see a little bit better. There we go. All right, so there's a closet here, bathroom, but then we have this closet here. This closet is twice the size of our closet in Wisconsin. So it goes nice and deep that way, nice and deep that way. Plenty of closet space for Bobby and I in this one closet. So, with that being said, this space we are demoing. We are going to pretty much take this wall over to that wall, and that will now all be master bathroom, because the master bathroom is very tiny and very dated. But biggest thing is it is tiny. So this is going everything. Like this bathroom, like the kitchen, is going to be completely gutted. But it does have a sunlight, which is really, really nice. That'll be staying. But this bathroom is like project number 1 of projects that we want to get done. So where are we changing that out, making it much larger, and still have a decent size master bedroom. All right, we are back in the sunroom and kitchen area, so we're gonna go outside. This is what made us fall in love with this house, along with location. This sunroom, this is going to be kids zone / dog zone. We're gonna set up this side to have the kids' workout equipment, their mats, everything. Like I said, this is where that window is. That's going to actually become a full window again, and possibly be larger to have an area for the kids to eat. We'll have an area for the dogs to eat. And then out these sliders, we go into the pool area. So we have a decent lanai area. We're gonna be able to put a nice patio set out here, get a new fan. We're gonna jazz it up with some lights, but otherwise not much needs to be done out here. The pool area is one thing we fell in love with. We will be putting a fence in, and then we have a shed, and once again a fence back there, trampoline for the kids. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It cut me off at the end. I don't know why, but that's okay. But if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we have so much coming next week and for the weeks to come. Like I said, depending on how much we do a week, if I can make 2 videos, I'm going to start putting out 2 videos a week. But you will always at least have a Friday video. But yeah, so much to come. So if you don't want to miss any of the updating of this house, of demo and decorating and completely redoing and revamping this house, make sure you hit the like, because it just helps out my algorithm. But then subscribe and hit that notification bell. But I'll see you next time.